Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day for today. So what I want to show you guys is the hotkeys inside of your chaining list. So you'll see right here is I just got a simple line going around, and what I can actually do is hit my function keys or the F keys to keep that chain going. So what we'll do is F6 will continue the chain going around. So if we just kind of go in here and hit F6, that will continue it going around. Now if I go to F7, that will change the direction. So either if I zoom in here, you'll see I have two blue lines. If I hit the F8, or the F7, it'll change the direction for you, and then we can keep going around. And then if we want to reverse the direction of the chain, so instead of going counterclockwise right now, we want to go clockwise, we can actually hit the F8 key, and you'll see that it switches the direction for you. Now, if we want to completely undo that last step, you guys can just actually hit backspace, and it will undo the last step going back forward. So basically, if you just hover over this right here, you'll see, you got F6, we have F7, we have F8, and then we have the backspace button. Now, you guys can set this up on your, for those of you guys that are using the 3D Connection mouse, as hotkeys as well. So it would just be a, just set it up as your F keys inside of your 3D Connection mouse, and you can do it the exact same way. So just want to kind of show you guys those hotkeys inside of chaining your, or creating your chains and changing directions, and that way you're not having to kind of click over here. You can just kind of keep your mouse where it is and just hit your F keys and keep going on. So just want to show you guys that for the tip of the day, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.